Okay guys, so today we're going to be reviewing Reaper Incendio. Okay, so first up we've got the lock chip, and the lock chip is probably really cool. I like the design, and it's probably my favorite Incendio avatar. Next up we have the blade, which is Reaper, and Reaper looks like it's basically just a square. Yeah. Reaper Incendio is meant to be like a perfect balance type or something. So the blade is good at attack, defense, and stamina. Next up we have the assist blade turn. And turn is cool because you can actually change the modes on it. Hold up, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. So there's an upper mode and a lower mode. So let me just change modes real quick. Okay, so now I have them out. So when you place it like this, it's in like... So when you place it like this, it's in lower mode. And then when you place it... And then... Oh my god, hold up, I'll be back. And then here is the upper mode, so yeah. There are two different modes, so it's very versatile. Next up we have the 470 ratchet. So 4 protrusion points isn't ideal, but yeah, it is what it is. And it's 70 height. I like the blood red color. Then we have probably the best part of this whole entire Beyblade, and that's the kick bit. The kick bit is like really good for attack and defense and stamina, and it's got good resistance. It also comes with a proto launcher. Now what I think is good about Hasbro Reaper Incendio is that there's no random booster needed. It just comes in a starter pack, so that's really good. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's do some test battles. So we'll put it up against Leon Claw and Perseus Dark, and then we'll make some custom combos. Battle time. We're going to be using the Frisbee today. So first, let's do a test launch just for fun. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa. It's going super fast. That was basically like an extreme dash, but in the Frisbee. Now we're going to be battling it. Its first opponent is going to be Perseus the Dark. Just like in the anime. So the first round, Robin actually wins, so, yeah. And then the second round, they actually tied. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ah! 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, Reaper Incendio wins. Okay, next round. Leon Claw versus Reaper Incendio. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And the winner is Leon Claw. Okay, now let's make a custom combo using these free bays. Since now I have 2 CX bays, let's make a custom blade. Okay, so I think we're obviously going to use the Reaper Incendio lock chip. Actually it's just the Incendio lock chip, but whatever. Then let's use the Reaper blade, and we'll use the bumper assist blade. So there we have our blade combo. Okay, next up we have the ratchets, and for this I think I'm going to be using 560 just for the 60 height. And finally we have the bits. For the bits I'm going to be using points, because it's very good for stamina and attack. Now let's put this to the test against Cobalt Dragoon. Ready, set. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. And the winner is my custom combo Reaper Incendio. Okay, that was the end of the review and unboxing. I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure to see the next one. Bye!